Pierogi is a very popular Ukrainian food that can be made with completely different fillings. We will make one with potato today. To make the dough, beat 2 eggs, add 2 milligrams of water, pinch of salt, and about 500 grams of flour. Mix all ingredients together and knead the dough on a table. The dough should be quite stiff but elastic and shouldn't stick to your hands. Leave it to rest for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we will make the filling. Boil the potato in a salted water. When potato is ready, mash it. Cut the onion finely and fry it until golden brown. Then mix mashed potato and onions together. Leave it on the side to cool down. The filling could be made a day in advance. It will save you time the day you will make the pierogi. Now, when the dough is ready and filling is ready, let's make the pierogi. Cut the piece of the dough and roll it out on a floured surface until it's in about 1/8 of an inch thin. Then I use the glass, which is about 3 inches in diameter, to cut the circles from the dough, keeping them as close as possible. Don't worry, we will reuse the scraps too. To make the pierogi, on the center of the circle, place about 1/2 of a tablespoon of potato and form the pierogi. Pull 2 edges together and pinch them well to seal. You can leave them like that, but I like to make a fancy twist, which also will ensure that they will not open while cooking. Continue to have fun making your pierogi until you have your ingredients. By the way, when you make the pierogi, you can make an extra batch. They can easily be frozen, and next time your family asks you for pierogi dinner, you just take them out from your freezer and cook them. To cook the pierogi, boil the water, salt it, and place the pierogi in. Wait until the water reboil and the pierogi float to the top. Give them about 5 minutes to cook. As soon as you take them out, butter them, sprinkle them with fried onions, and enjoy. Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.